A cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that is maintained by a decentralized blockchain. Currencies are a part of the monetary system, and money is a system of transferring value between parties, especially for the purpose of trade. But what exactly is value? Value is a shared belief. If you think about it, there's no such thing as inherent value. Sure, something like a natural resource arguably has value that's usually tied to its utility, how useful it is. But regardless, the concept of value is an entirely human creation. People want things for all sorts of reasons. Money is simply a tool to exchange value. It is accepted as payment because everyone shares the belief that it has value. In this sense, what we actually use as a unit of account for money is less relevant. Basically, any object could be used as money. In some cultures, even rocks and seashells were used as money in the past. Today, inmates may use cigarettes or coffee as money in prisons. Money has value because our society believes it has value. Of course, some objects are more suitable for this than others. For example, gold was used as money before the creation of paper money. It worked well because it's scarce and durable, but it's also heavy, and it can be difficult to transport and divide, so it became inconvenient for everyday use. Then, coins and paper money were created to represent a fixed amount of a physical commodity, like gold, in a system called the gold standard. The gold standard solved the problem of portability and divisibility for bricks of gold. Today, coins and paper notes only account for a small fraction of the monetary system. Most of the money in the world is digital money, recorded in the ledgers of banks and other financial institutions. No economy uses the gold standard anymore, although most countries do keep some gold reserves. That's where fiat money comes in. Fiat money is legal tender that isn't backed by a physical commodity, and derives its value from the trustworthiness of its issuer, usually a state through its central bank. While the value of fiat money is influenced by supply and demand, the state backing it has a much higher impact on its value. If the backing state becomes unstable, the fiat money may also lose its value. It's simply a piece of paper that has value because the state says it has value. That's what the word fiat means, by decree. So, the strength of the issuing state is key when it comes to fiat money. What's more, since it isn't backed by anything tangible, the state can theoretically print as much as it wants. Printing money causes inflation. Finally, let's turn to cryptocurrencies, which work very differently compared to fiat currency. They are digital currencies in which transactions are verified and records maintained by blockchain technology using cryptography, rather than by centralized authorities. This is what sets cryptocurrencies apart from the digital currencies in PayPal and other digital banking apps that are operated by centralized organizations. A good cryptocurrency will be decentralized, meaning it has no owner, and no one person or entity has control over it. While governments can unilaterally change the underlying rules of fiat money, cryptocurrencies should theoretically maintain an even playing field and consistent sets of rules. The unique properties of cryptocurrencies also make tracking users tied to their identities considerably more difficult, though not impossible, than through digital fiat money. Individual units of a cryptocurrency can't be duplicated or forged. And as cryptocurrencies exist entirely in the digital realm, they're highly suitable for worldwide transactions. Another core property of a good cryptocurrency is that the transactions happening on the blockchain are censorship-resistant and immutable. In the next module, we will look into the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, in greater detail.
Now let's look at what you have learned in this class. Answer this question in the comments, and if it's correct, we'll let you know with a like. How are cryptocurrencies different from digital currencies? Choose all that apply. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency in which transactions are verified and records maintained by a decentralized system using cryptography, rather than by a centralized authority. This is what sets cryptocurrencies apart from the digital currencies in your PayPal or digital banking apps, as these apps are operated by centralized organizations. B. Cryptocurrencies and digital currencies are all fiat currencies. C. Cryptocurrencies are an implementation of blockchain technology, while not all digital currencies are. D. Cryptocurrencies' trading values are volatile, while digital currencies' values are not.